Welcome back to our professional live sound, outdoor concert gear, and modern festival tech showcase. Today, we are putting a highly anticipated, pro-audio-grade portable powerhouse under the microscope. A device engineered specifically for backyard performers, mobile DJs, karaoke hosts, and tailgaters who demand massive acoustic throw, physical low-end response, and real stage versatility, but refuse to deal with weak plastic consumer boomboxes, artificial high-frequency distortion, or complex external mixing boards. Delivering iconic, tour-tested concert heritage directly to your next event, this is the magnificent Klipsch Vegas Music City Party Speaker. Klipsch has dominated legendary clubs, cinemas, and stadiums for over 75 years by refining high-efficiency acoustic horns, and the Vegas model perfectly scales down that massive stadium presence into a completely self-contained, field-ready party box. Visually, this rugged machine means absolute business, utilizing an incredibly dense, impact-resistant ABS and perforated metal frame engineered in partnership with Onkyo to easily shrug off rough transport wear. Coated in a stealth matte black finish with integrated structural carrying handles, the cabinet features an IPX4 splash-proof rating to safely handle poolside splashes or unexpected outdoor weather changes. But the true engineering masterpiece sits directly behind its heavy-gauge metal grille. Rather than using generic domes that compress sound at high volumes, the Vegas implements Klipsch's signature, patented 1-inch horn-loaded compression tweeter, working in absolute harmony with a heavy-duty, high-displacement 5.25-inch mid-bass woofer and custom front-firing bass ports. Driven by a high-headroom internal digital amplifier module blasting out a commanding 150 watts of total system power, this pro-grade array creates a staggering 95 decibels of maximum acoustic output. Tapping the physical ultra-bass button instantly shifts the digital signal processing framework, dropping the low-frequency response down to a thick, floor-shaking 49 Hz without losing an ounce of glistening vocal projection. Flipping the rear rubber flap reveals a highly capable live performance interface DAC. The speaker includes a premium wired handheld microphone that feeds directly into a dual-zone analog mixing board on top of the cabinet, offering independent mechanical adjustment knobs for master volume, microphone level, treble, bass, and echo parameters alongside a dedicated 1/4-inch instrument input for your guitar. Powering this portable festival stage is a dense 4400 mAh lithium core, delivering up to 12 hours of continuous wireless audio with the lights off, or 8 hours of high-intensity performance backed by 5 stunning, app-customizable RGB perimeter light show profiles. Supported by stable Bluetooth 5.2 streaming, quick USB charging,